alright, no problem. So yeah, so today we will start the new chapter, which is matrices. Okay, so let me see. Matrices. Okay, this one. Okay, so matrices. Alright, 2.1. So before we start today, the new lesson, we recap a bit on what we learned last week on the matrices as well. We do a bit of recap. Okay, so the recap, how do I do the recap is basically I ask you a few questions lah, then you try to answer. Alright, wait, I forget open camera. Okay, so matrices last week, apa yang kita belajar, what we learned last week. Basically, can I ask you all, how do we represent matrices? Can anyone answer? How do we represent matrices? Who can answer? Try and see. How do we represent it? What is the symbol we use for matrices? Apa simbol kita guna? Yes, correct. Besides the square bracket, other than that, there is one specific symbol we use, a letter. Do you remember what letter we use? Okay, do you all remember this the letter? You all still remember? We use the letter A to represent matrix. Okay, A is basically telling you an element in the matrix. Okay, they will use the symbol A, element in matrix. Okay, so this is the meaning of A. Alright, so now let's say I give you all a matrix. Saya bagi satu matrix. So let's say simple lah, something like this. Okay, so I ask you all, I want the element of A12. Okay, before that, the number 1 and 2, can you all tell me? Number 1 represent what in the matrix? Yes, very good. Okay, remember the front number always is row. Okay, start with row. Number 2 represent what? Yes, very good, column. Okay, this one don't mix up, guys. If you mix up, gone already. You will get the wrong element. Alright, so can you all tell me for this matrix A12, what is the answer based on the row and column? Yes, very good. Okay, first row, second column. So you can try to check and see. First row, this is first row. Second column, you see the intersection is at 3. That's why the answer is 3. Okay, so this is the basic concept lah on matrix that we all learned last week. Okay, so let's say if I tell you 5, can you all tell me how will you write this one if I tell element 5? Now we reverse thinking. What will be the answer? Yes, very good. Okay, A22 means second row, baris kedua, second column, lajur kedua. You get the number 5. Okay, so that is why A22. Okay, only letter A, guys. Tak boleh guna huruf lain. You can only use letter A in matrix. Okay, B22 cannot, C22 cannot. Must be A. Alright. So yeah, this is the basic that you all learn. Okay, before that, let me add an extra page for y'all. Just discuss something extra. Okay, guys. So as you all know, matrix is written in the square bracket. Yes, small letter A, guys. If capital A you write like this wrong, remember, must be small a, A22. This one only correct. Okay. So now matrix can write like this. Okay, two format. You can use square bracket or curly bracket. Okay, either two lah. Alright, so now I ask you all, let's say I got a matrix like this. Can you all tell me what is the order of this matrix? Or what is the shape of this matrix? Can you all tell me? What will be the answer? Apa bentuk matrix ini? What is the shape for this matrix? Yes, very good. Okay, a lot of people will confuse over here because they say only they see only one number. So they ask, can this be a matrix or not? Okay, yes, it is a matrix also. Even one digit satu nombor sahaja, dia masih dipanggil matrix. Which mean that one row, satu baris, one column, satu lajur. So that is why 2 is also called as a matrix, 1 times 1. This is the smallest matrix. Matrix yang paling kecil kamu boleh tengok kat dunia ni is this one. Okay, the smallest matrix, 1 times 1. Alright, so guys, if the smallest matrix is 1 times 1, can I ask you all, the biggest matrix in the world is how much? Can you all try to guess and see? Matrix paling besar yang wujud. What times what? You all try to think and see. How big can a matrix go? Okay, but yes, if you're talking in terms of your syllabus, correct lah. Okay, but I'm telling generally, secara how big it can go. Okay, I think Hakim answer reasonable lah. Okay, I say 100 times 100. Okay, but of course, they won't ask you to solve question regarding this number lah. Alright, your syllabus, this one syllabus guys. The biggest matrix in your syllabus, who knows? Do you all know? Apa matrix paling besar dalam matematik that you all learn now? What is the biggest size that you all learn? Huh? Hakim, where got 10 times 10? 10 times 10 too big already for you all. What is the biggest? 4 also is too big. 4 times 4 is too big. It won't ask like that. Hakim, cannot be 5. 3 is 3. I think it's 3. Yeah. Okay, 3 is the answer. Correct. It's 3 times 3 matrix. Yeah, correct. Okay, based on the textbook lah, the largest they go is 3 times 3 matrix. Okay, remember guys, in your syllabus, smallest 1 times 1, largest 3 times 3. So you no need to know anything else outside this range. Okay, so everything in this chapter will involve this one until this one only, nothing else. 1 to 1, 1 times 1 until 3 times 3 only. That's all. Okay, so now let me ask you another question. Okay, you got the matrix like this, right? Okay, let's say guys, I got numbers like this. Saya ada nombor macam ni. Is this also called a matrix? Yes or no? Adakah ini matrix? Yes. Okay, this is also a matrix. So guys, if they fill every digit with the same number is also called a matrix. Okay, don't think because every position is the same number means it's not matrix. Okay, no matter what the number, as long got number in the bracket, asalkan ada nombor dalam kurungan, you call it matrix. Okay, doesn't mean whether it's same or not same, it's still called matrix. Okay, even like this, let's say I give you something like this. Suddenly one day you see like this in your exam. So guys, can I ask you all, is this matrix or not? Adakah ini matrix? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, doesn't matter because the variable you can find out the value. You can find out by solving equations. So it's still called a matrix. All right. How about this? If I put something like this, is this a matrix? Adakah ini matrix? Very good. Yes, it's also a matrix. Guys, 0 is also a digit. Remember, okay, kosong tu adalah satu digit juga that you can use in a matrix. So that one also is a matrix. Which one is not a matrix is when you have something like this. Guys, you don't fill any number inside here. Bila kamu tak isi apa-apa nombor dalam kurungan, no number is when this is not a matrix. Yes, variable also matrix because you can find the value by comparing with another matrix. So variable also consider matrix. Only thing when you don't have any number here, inside here kosong, nothing, then you don't call it a matrix. Okay guys, are you clear on the basic concept for matrix? This is important, foundation for your matrix chapter. Alright, so any question so far you want to ask me? Ada apa-apa soalan? You all not clear or doubt or anything? So if no question, I go on. Okay, we continue the chapter. Okay, so now, okay, so basically, what is matrix? Okay, so basically, I translate for you all for those stay in English. So basically, matrix is the numbers that are arranged in row and column, as I emphasize, baris dan lajur always. Okay, row and column. Okay, so that it can form a rectangle or square. Okay, the matrix usually will form rectangle or square. What do they mean by rectangle or square? You can see over here. So guys, I ask you all lah, if 2 times 1 matrix, will it form a rectangle or square? The shape. Bentuk dia segi empat tepat atau segi empat sama? You try to imagine and see. If I have a 2 times 1 matrix, do I get a rectangle or square? Can you all tell me? What will be the answer? Eh? You sure, guys? Guys, you must see carefully. 2 times 1 matrix, how it will look like. Okay, guys, 2 times 1 means 2 row, 1 column. Correct? So 2 row means that maybe I put 5 and then 6. Okay, this is 2 row. This is 1 column. So guys, is this a square? Adakah ini segi empat sama? Yes or no? You try to see the length and the width carefully. Actually, it's not. Okay, this is actually called as rectangle. Okay, you must compare the length and the width, guys. Here, the width is 1. Okay, here, the length is 2. So, guys, 2 and 1. 2 and 1 cannot form a square. Okay, 2 dengan 1 tak boleh bentuk segi empat sama. So, that is why this kind of matrix is rectangle. Okay, let us try one more. Let's say I got 3 times 1. 3 times 1 matrix. Will it form rectangle or square? You try to think and see. If I have 3 times 1, based on the concept earlier I told you all, what will it form? If you have 3 times 1 matrix, what shape? Yes, okay, correct. This will also form a rectangle shape. Okay, you can draw to imagine. Okay, kamu lukis saja kamu boleh faham. Okay, 3 row, 3 baris, 1 lajur, 1 column. So mean that you can have something like this. 3 row, 1 column. Okay, so you can see that it is a rectangle shape actually. You draw like this, you understand already. This is rectangle. Alright, so now we try and see one more. How if I have a 2 times 2 matrix? Can you all tell me guys, what shape will it form? Kalau saya ada matrix 2 kali 2. Yes, okay, in this case you will form a square. Okay, segi empat sama. So why is it a square? You can try to have a look here. So guys, can you all see why is it a square? You try to draw a shape for this. You will see that you actually get a square. Because you got 2 row and 2 column. Means that the length and the width are the same. Okay, panjang dan lebar sama. Okay guys, are you clear on the concept? So this is how to determine the shape of the matrix. Okay, quite simple lah. You all can see it. Alright. So yeah. Okay. So nothing else here. Let me see. Okay. So now okay guys, let's say let me think of one question. Okay, so basically what is the conclusion that you all can draw from here? So basically if you have a matrix of m times n, okay, this is the general conclusion lah, kesimpulan kalau saya ada matrix m kali n, what is the shape I will form guys? Can you all tell me? Rectangle or square for m times n matrix? This one is general conclusion, kesimpulan So what type of shape I'll form? If I have a matrix of m kali n, you must understand that m and n are different numbers lah. Yes, okay, you will form a rectangle because nombor berlainan. So pasti kamu akan bentuk segi empat tepat, rectangle. Okay, so how about if I have a matrix of n times n? What type of shape I will form guys? Apa bentuk saya akan dapat untuk n kali n? Yes, okay, square. Because same number, nombor sama. So that is why I will get square. Alright guys, are you all clear for this? So this is the general conclusion for rectangle or square. Okay, so yeah, this one done. So next one. Okay, this is the one you all, I asked you all lah just now, how to baca the matrix. So usually, how you all read matrix is, you will read 2 times 3. Okay, matrix 2 dengan 3 means that the row will always come first. You have to read the row first. Yang kedua, kamu baca lajur. Okay, kamu baca baris dulu, baru kamu kena baca lajur. The priority is the row, baris. Okay, this is the priority. So you must make sure to sebut the row first. Don't terbalik. Okay, if not the answer won't be correct already. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing you all must know. All right, so from here, we try some example. Okay, based on what you all know so far. Okay, kita cuba beberapa contoh. Okay, so let's say I give you all a table lah. Saya nak kamu tulis semua info ni dalam bentuk matrix. Okay. Okay, so something like this. Okay, never mind. I modify this one. Okay, let's say we talk about blood group. Okay, kumpulan darah. Okay, so guys, can you all tell me what are the possible blood groups we have? Tiba-tiba bio pula. Okay, what are the types of blood group we have? Can you all tell me? Okay, yes, OO. You have O, sorry. One more. Yes, A. One more. Okay, very good. So you all still good lah. You all know this. Okay, so let's say the numbers we have for each blood group is something like this. This is the number of people, bilangan orang. Okay, so guys, if I want to represent this information in the form of a matrix, can you all tell me what type of matrix is suitable to use? Can you all tell me the order, like what times what? What type of matrix should I have based on the information here? Mana yang paling sesuai nak guna? There is two answers, ada dua jawapan that you can give. So anyone? What type of matrix I should have? Not the shape, Hakim. I talking about the what times what. Nombor apa kali nombor apa. Yes, correct. Sekali. 1 times 3 and 3 times 1. So guys, you can arrange like this in the matrix, or you can arrange like this in the matrix. Do you all understand, guys? Basically, mengapa ada dua jawapan, kamu boleh kumpulkan dia, you can arrange it horizontally, or you can arrange it vertically like this. Okay, it depends on you lah, which one you want to classify, how you want to classify it. Okay, guys, understand? So this is the most simple, is a simple example lah for you all to show how to represent matrix. Okay, we can try one more. Let's say I add on some more. I make it a bit more complex. Okay, so just now we talk about blood groups, right? Yes, betul. Baris melintang dan lajur menegak, betul. Okay, so let's say now saya tambah satu lagi baris. Okay, one more row. So let's say I have to change the subject a bit lah. Okay, maybe I put male, female. Okay, and then blood groups. Okay, kumpulan darah. So we use back the same type just now. Okay, so you got 3 over here. So you got O, A, and AB. Okay, so let's say the numbers are something like this. Okay, I just put randomly lah, guys. Soalan random saja. Okay, so can you all tell me what type of matrix is suitable to represent this data? Apa bentuk matrix yang paling sesuai digunakan kat sini? Okay, yes, correct. Okay, 2 times 3, 3 times 2 also can. Yeah, it depends how you look at it lah. Actually, you got two answers, guys. So you see carefully. Since I have two groups, right? I have one information on blood group and one information on gender. So I can write in two possible ways. Saya boleh susun ikut kumpulan darah ataupun saya susun ikut jantina. So that's why we got two possible answer. Okay, so how you can write it is basically first possible answer kamu salin balik saja, like how you write over here. Okay, so this is a 2 times 3 matrix. Okay, dua baris, tiga lajur, as you all can see. Okay, so the second possibility is 3 times 2. So if you want to do 3 times 2, means that you got 3 row and 2 column. So basically, how to do 3 row, 2 column? So basically, you arrange it like this. Can you all see, guys? Boleh tengok tak perbezaan cara saya susun? This one, I arrange according to gender. Saya susun ikut apa? Sorry, this one I susun ikut the blood group. Sorry, this one is blood group. This one, the bottom one is the gender. Can you all see it, guys? Boleh faham? You can see over here, 6521. All of these represent male. 18, 17, 18, 7, 20. Semua ni mewakili female. Okay, then if you see this one represent blood group 618, 57, 21, 20. All of these represent blood group. So can you see, guys, the difference? Saya compare secara menegak. Okay, you must compare both of the matrices vertically. Then only you know which one represent gender, which one represent blood group. Okay, guys, can you all comment whether you all understand the concept here? Basically is like this lah. The most complex you can go 2 times 3 or maybe 3 times 3. 2 baris 3 lajur. Ni kalau susun melintang. 3 baris 2 lajur kalau susun menegak. Sana saya lihat 2, 3 melintang. Yes, betul. Correct. Okay, guys? Can understand, huh? So we continue. Okay, so next one. Let me see. Okay, let's say I give you another example. Okay, let's say we talk about, okay, you all give me lah topic, guys. You want to talk on what? Data. What you all want to talk on? What topic? Then I create the question for you. More fun lah like that, lebih menarik. Kamu semua nak cakap pasal apa? Nak bagi data apa? You all try to think and see. Anyone can suggest me an information. Sebab saya pun tak ada idea nak cakap tentang apa. How about we talk about exam mark? Very smart, you all? Okay. So what subject you all want to compare? Okay, maybe I take maths and add maths lah sebab saya ajar maths and add maths. Alright. So we compare maths and add maths. Okay, senang lah. And I mind, we add one more untuk bagi dia lebih menarik sikit. Maths, add maths, and also okay lah, biology. Okay, so guys, you try to see this table and see. Okay, now it might be a bit more complex because got more data coming. Okay, so let's say you got like this. Okay, maths, add maths, bio. Okay, so now how do I put this? Okay, I have to take your names, guys, because then only I can put the data. Okay, saya ambil nama kamu sajalah, senang. Okay, so let's say, okay, who want to volunteer? Their names to be put here. Siapa mau nama mereka letak kat sini? You all type in the comment. Haida not here lah. I cannot put. Skelly, what is your real name? Okay, last one. Okay, oh, dah cakap data. Okay, Emily. Okay lah, we satu Malaysia lah over here. Okay, senang. One Malaysia. Okay, so let's say I simply put marks guys for you. Don't kecil hati. Saya saja bubuh markah saja. Okay, so that I can put the data. Okay. Okay. Puas? Are you all happy with the marks I put? Okay, I simply put no feeling or anything. Saja letak saja. Why your maths lower is it? Don't know lah, random lah. That's why I tell you random. Can one. Siapa tak pernah dapat A plus for Ed Maths here? Angkat tangan. For your form 4 lah. Who never get A plus for Ed Maths? Raise your hand. Got lah, lot. Okay, never mind. You join this year well, you listen to me, I can make you all get A plus. No worries. Okay, if you follow me closely, you can get A plus. Don't worry. Okay, no problem one. It may seem difficult at the start, tapi slowly but surely kamu boleh buat. Okay, it needs time. Dia akan ambil masa. A lot of people, right, if you notice, they're not good at their form 4 and maths. Am I right, guys? Banyak senior-senior kamu tanya, masa form 4 kamu punya maths bagus tak? I will tell you, honestly, 80% daripada orang yang kamu tanya, mereka akan cakap form 4 mereka tak bagus at maths. Mengapa? Sebab mereka baru didedahkan kepada subjek baru. It is a new subject to them. That's why their marks not so good. Okay, so when they come to form 5, you will see that they improve. Okay, banyak orang akan improve. Sebab dah ada pengalaman dah. You already have 1 year doing at maths. So when you go for the second year, kamu akan lebih selesa dan macam mana nak kata, lebih sesuaikan dirilah dengan soalan-soalan at maths. So don't worry if your at maths not good in form 4. Now is the time for you to improve when you enter form 5. Okay? So now guys, if you look at this question, what type of matrix I can use here? Can you all tell me? What is the order? Apa bentuk dia? Yes, okay, 3 times 3. Okay guys, so 3 times 3. Is there only one answer or two answer? Can you all tell me? Okay, how about the rest? Yes. Okay, actually there is two because we got two categories here. So guys, you must see carefully the category. Okay, category 1 is about the name, nama. Second category is the subject. So that is why although it's a 3 times 3 matrix, kamu boleh susun nombor tu secara berbeza. You can arrange it differently. Okay, so first choice, let's say I choose to arrange according to subject. Okay, saya tak kisah nama dia, saya susun ikut subject. So first column, modern maths. Exam next month media ke? I think most of y'all media is next month, right? If not mistaken. Peperiksaan pertengahan tahun. Okay. So 67, 90, 75, and then 86, 72, 72. This one I salin the soalan only. Okay. So this is the first possible answer. 3 times 3 matrix. I think one answer enough. No need to give both. Okay, no need to give both. You give the one that is most easy to see lah, like this one. You just copy back the question only. Okay, the second possibility is you arrange according to the name. Okay, so first column, I put all vast marks. Okay, means I don't care what subject, I just arrange according to the name. And then I follow with Aini. Okay, can you see the difference, guys, in my answers? Okay, last one, I follow Emily, the marks. Can you all see this? So this is how you can form two answers. There is no other possibility lah. Okay, guys, can you all understand? This one is a bit more complex because 3 times 3 matrix, the biggest matrix in your syllabus. All right, so we continue. Next question. Next explanation. All right, so next one, you all must know. Okay, so basically, actually I talked about this already lah. Okay, the elements in the matrix. Usually, kita akan bagi simbol M kali N. Okay, M represent row, N represent column. Okay, so something like this lah. Kamu kena tahu macam mana nak baca. Okay, and also one more thing guys. Do you all know that calculator can use for matrix? Siapa tahu yang ni? Angkat tangan. Yes, okay, actually, if you want to solve matrix, right, you can use your calculator. Calculator is your best friend. Okay, but ada perkataan tetapi. Okay, when you use calculator, proses dia agak panjang. Do you all notice that? If anyone try to use calculator, because right, matrix, kamu kena key in data satu per satu. So it takes a very long time. Especially, let's say you have a 3 times 3 matrix. Contoh dia macam ni. Kamu kena key in 9 digit, satu per satu. So can you all try to see? It is a long time. So that is why when solving matrix, Okay, tak apa. Tak perlu tahu kalau kamu boleh solve secara manual. Okay, if you can solve matrix manually, no problem. Because mereka nak lihat jalan kira kamu, especially in paper 2. Paper 2, if you use calculator, habis. Because calculator won't show you jalan kira. Dia akan tunjuk jawapan akhir. Okay, but paper 1, okay lah. Calculator is important for paper 1, matrix. But paper 2 cannot. So itu kekurangan calculator kat sini. Because paper 2, it cannot help you. Okay, so my advice is train to do manually. Cuba kamu faham konsep dan buat secara manual. Is much better compared to use calculator. Saya pun tak biasa guna calculator. Masa SPM saya buat bab matrix. I solve manually only. Okay guys, so this my advice lah. No need to confuse yourself with the calculator. Just focus on the manual method should be okay. Alright? Ada. Akan ada. Okay? So, yeah. So, this one. Okay. Yang ni pun sama lah. Kamu kena tahu elemen ni apa. Okay, you must find out the elements. Alright? So, this one nothing much. We already go through. Okay, so this one. Okay. So, basically, what they tell you here is the matrix, right? Dia boleh pergi sejauh mana dia nak. Okay, the matrix, right? It can go until how long as it want also. You can see over here, they put the letter M. M ni maksud apa, guys? M means it can actually go until a very large value. Very large value. Dia boleh pergi kepada nilai yang sangat besar. Okay, it is not limited. That's why mereka bubuh dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot means ada banyak elemen kat tengah-tengah. Okay, there is a lot of numbers in between, so they cannot write everything. Okay, same for over here, N. So N means it is also a very large value. Nilai sangat besar. Okay, so this one you all must know for the general form for matrix. Okay, so this one nothing much. Okay, this one no need. All right, so the second part in this chapter that you all must know is new knowledge, guys. Equal matrices. Okay, guys. Now it's a new term for you all. Okay, matrix serupa kalau tak silap atau matrix sama. Okay, so guys, when you see the word equal matrix, can you all tell me what can you all interpret from this? Apa info kamu boleh dapat dari sini? What is the characteristic to have equal matrix? Very good. They have the same numbers. Okay, that's why they call it equal matrix. Okay, yes, same orders. Very good. Those are the two conditions that you all must know. Nombor sama, bentuk sama. Okay, that's all. Two conditions only to form equal matrix. Okay, so there they tell you that peringkat sama, setiap unsur kena sama juga. Okay, so guys, if I tell you that M is equal to N based on this question, can you all tell me what is the A value? Apa nilai A? If you compare these two matrices, yeah, as simple as that lah. What is D value? D, donkey. What is the D value? Yes, okay, 4. Okay, so as simple as that. Alright, so this one very easy to understand lah. Only thing is, it can come a bit complex when you have variables. Bila mereka bagi pemboleh ubah kat kamu. Okay, so example, I can give you this type of question. Okay. Random one, guys. Because if I give you all simple questions, sangat mudah nak selesaikan, not hard. Wait, let me think for a while. Does it work or not? This one I change. Wait for a while lah, guys. I try to create the question nicely for y'all. Because this one's my own question, so it might take some time. Okay, so I think is correct already. Wait, let me see. That one you must solve unknowns to get answers. In other words, algebra. Yes, you must solve simultaneous equation lah. In other words, kamu kena guna konsep persamaan serentak. Okay, so let me just see for a while whether everything is okay. 2x plus 4. Okay, never mind. Don't want to make it so complicated for y'all. Because exam also won't so complicated. Okay, so can y'all try and see this one? Wait, let me just check back one more time. 8 and times 10. Okay, so can you all tell me, how are you going to compare all these matrices? How will you solve this kind of question if it come out in the exam? Macam mana kamu akan buat? Can you all tell me what is the step? So which one you're going to compare first? Can you all tell me? Kamu akan bandingkan yang mana dulu? As a fast way lah to solve the question. Mana paling senang nak bandingkan? Can you all type out for me? Yes. Okay, the first row. Correct. I feel correct. Okay, guys, you always, the most important goal is you compare the one with one variable only. Kamu bandingkan yang ada satu nilai sahaja ataupun satu pemboleh ubah. Jangan bandingkan yang ada dua pemboleh ubah. Okay, you can lah. Kamu boleh buat macam tu. Okay, tapi sedikit susah. Kamu jalan kira akan panjang. Okay, so guys, if you compare and see, x square is equal to 4. Okay, because they are equal matrices. Okay, so guys, careful lah. Is the answer only 2? Adakah jawapan dia hanya 2? Yes. Okay, you must accept positive and negative too. Okay, always remember, when you got square, when you square root, you must have positive, negative. 4. Okay, so you will get positive, negative too. Remember, don't give one answer. Jangan bagi satu jawapan. Selain soalan tak nyatakan apa-apa, you have to give 2 answers. Okay, so based on this, how are you all going to find the y? Which one you will compare now? Kamu akan bandingkan mana? Mana yang paling senang nak bandingkan? Anyone know? Yes. Okay, you can use the x plus y, correct? Okay, so x plus y is 10. So guys, can I ask you all, how many y value will you get here? Berapa nilai y kamu akan dapat? Yes, correct. You must consider for 2 values of x. So means that x equals to 2, you substitute, you will get y is 8. First answer. Second answer, you substitute x is negative 2, you will get y equals to 12. So that's why you got actually 2 set of answer, 2 pasangan jawapan. In total, you got 4 jawapan lah. Okay guys, are you clear with the equal matrix? Okay, they can come out question like this also lah to make you all think a bit. Okay, but it's not so hard. Okay, tak susah sangat. Alright, so this is under the equal matrix concept. Yeah. Okay, so let me see anything else. Okay, we add one page. Wow, today very fast. Okay, so let me see. Got anything? Okay, we try some question on equal matrix. Okay, so let's say I got something like this. Okay, so guys, are these two equal matrix? Adakah dua ini matrix sama? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, the answer is yes. So why? Can you all give me reason? Kenapa yang ni matrix sama? The reason very simple only. Apa sebab that you all can think? Yes, same order, correct. Okay, in this case, you cannot mention same element because you got A and B here, so we don't know yet. Okay, but basically you can make it equal to each other lah, because you can see that the order is the same already. Peringkat dia sama, so means that the value should be the same. Then only you can call it equal matrix. Okay, so how about this one? If we got something like this, are these equal matrix? Adakah ini matrix sama? Yes, no. Because they do not have same order. Okay, peringkat matrix berbeza. Although the digit is the same, they have different order, correct? Okay, yeah. The order also is different. So basically you can say, no. Actually negative here also got, sorry, I made mistake. Okay, both side also got negative. But since the order is different, it's called not equal matrix. Okay, how about this one? If I give you all something like this, you try to see this. Okay, so are these equal matrix or not? Adakah ini matrix sama? Yes. Okay, most of you might say no because you see that there is different digits over here. Dia ada nombor berlainan. Can you all see over here? You compare this and this. Yes, basically nilai dia sama. So as long as the value is the same, you still will call it equal matrix, no matter how they arrange it. Okay, so this one is also yes because they have same digit and same order. Okay, so no matter how they write it, it still doesn't matter lah. Okay, same digit. And also guys, take note, you can write fractions in matrix. Kamu boleh tulis pecahan dalam matrix. It doesn't mean that fraction cannot. You can use fraction in matrix. Okay, let's say you got a value of 1 over 3 when you count and see. So guys, if you compare these two lah, kamu akan tulis nilai mana dalam matrix? Can you all tell me? Will you write 1 over 3 or 0.33 as your answer in the matrix? Okay, how about the rest? Can I hear the others' opinion? Which answer you think is better? Mana jawapan lebih bagus for you all to write in the matrix? Yes. Okay, the answer is 1 over 3. Okay, because 1 over 3 is always a more accurate value, nilai yang lebih tepat compared to 0.33. Okay, so that is why we always write fraction in the matrix. Unless both answer, this one usually we don't write. We don't write like this in matrix. You use decimal when only you got a fraction like this. Let's say 1 over 2 is 0.5. So there is no other decimal already. Dia tak ada titik perpuluhan lagi. So when you have limited amount of decimal, then you can write this as your answer. But if you have recurring decimals, titik perpuluhan berulang, it is better to write fraction. Tulis pecahan. Do you all understand? So you all must know when to use fraction, when to use the decimal in the matrix. Okay, normal number is okay lah. You know how to use it. How about square or root? Oh, good question. Okay, usually the question won't be until like that lah. Okay, but let's say if the question come out like that. Okay, let's say cert 25, you can write the answer lah. It's 5. But let's say you got a square root of let's say 108. So guys, how will you leave your answer? Let's say you get this value when you count. Will you count the value of this? Adakah kamu akan kira nilai ni? Yes or no? You all try to think and see. The answer is 10.39. So will you all write the first one or the second one? What do you all think? Kamu akan tulis nilai pertama atau kedua? Yes, you write the first one. Okay? Because this one is a more accurate value, nilai yang lebih tepat. Okay, but usually modern maths, they won't involve all these lah. The certs, all these won't involve. Okay, because this one more about the add maths part already. Okay, where you need to simplify the cert As you all know, right? You all learn in Form 4. Cara nak permudahkan cert, all that. So you don't need to use it over here. Okay, it won't be tested. Alright? So you just have to focus on the fraction, decimal, and the normal numbers only. Only three things, nothing else. Okay? So next one, let me see. Okay. So the next one that you all need to know is, wow, 2.1 finished already. Okay, yeah. So are you all clear, guys? 2.1. Any question? 2.1 kita dah habis. Okay, next is 2.2 already. Wow, very fast lah today. 45 minutes. Finish 2.1. Can Okay, good. So we continue with 2.2. I actually didn't prepare for 2.2, but wow, okay, you're quite fast. So I feel like we can continue lah. Okay, so 2.2, we are going to learn on basic operation on matrix. I think this one will take some time, okay, because you all need practice on this. This one is the important part. Mostly, guys, the question in SPM for matrix, they like to ask this part. This part, paper 1, usually focus on the basic operation. Objective, they like to ask this. Okay, what do they mean by basic operation, guys? Can you all tell me? Apa maksud operasi asas? What is the meaning? What are they involving here? Yes. How about others? Yes. Okay, make sure you got multiplication and division also. All of this is tested in the matrix. Okay, all these four symbols you must know how to do. Okay, nothing else lah. Four operations only. Alright. So, okay. So basically, I want to tell you all that, do you all know what is the most common matrix that is tested in SPM? Do you all know? Apa matrix paling suka tanya dalam SPM? What is the order? Can you all tell me? I mean, for one single matrix, what is how many row, how many column? Can you all tell me? If you study matrix a lot already lah so far. Yes. Okay, the correct answer is 2 times 2. Remember, guys, let's say this part, right? You forget the operation of all other matrices. Let's say 1 times 3, 3 times 1 is okay. But make sure, don't forget 2 times 2. Because 2 times 2, every time the exam like to ask. Especially simultaneous equation. Have you all studied this, guys, in school? Solving simultaneous equation using matrix? Yes. You will see that most of the simultaneous equation, let's say 90% lah, 90% dari persamaan serentak, need you to solve 2 times 2 matrix. So that is why I say 2 times 2 matrix is very important. Okay, if you don't know the rest, it's okay. Because the rest, it will come out in paper 1 only, usually. Okay, so maybe 1 or 2 marks is okay. But simultaneous equation, a lot of marks. Okay, it can go up to 7 usually for one whole question or more also. Okay, so compare 7 with 2, of course you want the 7 marks lah. Alright, so that's why 2 times 2 is important. Okay, but of course I will teach the rest also lah, so that you all can know how to do it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing we will focus on is the most basic one, which is addition. Okay, we focus on addition first. Okay, before we start, do you all want break? Anyone feel tired, sleepy, want to wash the face? Okay, so for those that feel sleepy, tired, I give you all 5 minutes break. So 8:55, you all come back in front of the computer. Okay, so meanwhile, anyone got question want to ask me, you can ask also in the chat box regarding maths or anything that you want to talk to me. 5 minutes rest. Okay. So far for those that just started the Form 5, how is your feeling? Macam mana perasaan? Mula Form 5. Can you all like share to me what is the initial feeling that you all feel so far when you enter Form 5? Like, do you feel like SPM dah dekat or something? Going too fast, normal lah. Okay, that one is okay. I mean, in terms of your studies, dari segi pelajaran, how do you, can you like cope well so far? Because usually the Form 5 time, right, is what to say, you won't have much time to revise back your Form 4. That is one thing. So mainly Form 5, you all need to focus on the Form 5 lah. So you might not have much time to touch back on Form 4. That's why, when is your school holidays, for Raya? One whole week, from 8 to 12. Wow. Means Monday to Friday holiday. Oh, okay. Good lah. Only 1 week, right? 8 to 12. So good lah. So basically, right, that is, I feel like your last rest lah. I might have lah, because majority that join usually are non-Muslim. So yeah, usually will have. Yuhan. Okay, so basically, right, these holidays, right, I mean the 8 to 12, right, you can think of it as your last holiday lah. Because if you see after that week, right, you won't have much holiday. Do you all notice that? After the Raya holiday, right, it's continuous no holiday already. And you all will have class tambahan and all that. Yeah, correct. So basically, this is the longest holiday you have lah. I think so. Unless got some what cuti penggal or anything, I don't know. So yeah, so you have to make use of that 1 week when you're at home. Maybe you try to revise your Form 4 during that 1 week, because that 1 week, right, you don't need to go to school. So that 1 week is the best time for you to go through your Form 4, because after that you have to catch up with Form 5 syllabus, correct? So your Form 4, that is the best time to revise back, to make sure you're strong with your Form 4. So yeah, if not, it will be very rushed, because trials will include Form 4. Am I right? I think media also will include Form 4 lah, which is in May. So you all need to make use of the 1 week that you have to revise back Form 4. Form 5 won't be so much, maybe halfway only or less than half, because you all just started. But majority of your exam question, maybe 80% will be Form 4. So that's why Form 4 important lah. And of course, you can see my YouTube lah if you want for Form 4. Got all the videos there ready for you all. Okay, if you feel like certain topic you like in Form 4, just go to my YouTube only. Just have to play the video only. Then you revise back the whole chapter. In a fast way lah, 1 hour, 30 minutes, you can revise one chapter. Maybe less than that also. If you play at 2x speed lah. I think some of you like to watch at 2x speed. So then you can revise faster.
SPM focus Form 4, Form 5.
Huh?
SPM focus more on Form 4, Form 5. SPM.
I feel like it's equal, but it depends on the subject again lah. Like if I talk about maths and ed maths, usually maths, I will say lower form important for maths, Form 1 or Form 3. But I will say Form 4, Form 5 in paper 2 is more important lah. Form 1 or Form 3 usually in paper 1. So that's what I feel lah, based on what I see so far. Okay, and then for ed maths is hard to say, because NMATS, all the topic will come out. So you have no way to escape. So NMATS memang you have to study Form 4, Form 5. There is no such thing as more Form 4 will come, less Form 5 will come. No such thing. All will come equally only. Okay, but of course, certain topics you don't need to study so much lah, based on what you see from the trials and all that. Okay, so yeah, that's what I can say lah. Tips for time management. Tips for time management. It's basically, I will say, divide your time equally among your subjects lah. I'm sure you all know which is your weak subjects, correct guys? You all should know, right? Which subject you all strong, which subject you all weak. So basically, time management is you focus on your weak subjects. Not to say that you neglect your strong subjects. You do your strong subjects also to make sure you're really strong. You do it. Or maybe I will say favorite subjects lah, not strong subjects. Favorite subjects and weak subjects. Surely you will have some favorite subject. I accounts week. Then you have to put more time into accounts lah. When you have the holidays or anything, you focus more on accounts. But at the same time, you do your strong subject to make sure you're consistent with it. So that is the advice I can give. So yeah, that's the best tip lah. Who feels so far they struggle in maths a lot? Raise your hand. Mathematics tambahan. Siapa rasa lemah? Who feel very weak at maths? Neutral. Okay, neutral means you're in a good condition already. Not yet. Not yet means what? Not yet feel weak. Chapter 2. Okay, we'll come to that soon. Don't worry. All your schools start chapter 2 already, and maths. Everyone here. Who start chapter 2 already? Angkat tangan. Sekolah mana dah mula bab 2 for maths? Okay, God also lah. Okay. I mean as I don't take. Oh, you don't take maths, Hakim. Oh, I see. Okay. Different from Haida lah. Haida took maths when he was, from 5. Okay, guys. Are you all back already? Can we start? We start on the plus, okay, the most simple one, plus. Plus and minus easy. Times a bit difficult. I think you all will notice that. Okay, so let us say we start with the basic one, lah, the most basic one. Okay, guys, can you all tell me your answer? I don't have to teach this, right? This one, if you don't know how to answer, I send you back to kindergarten. Okay, no need to come to form 5 already. Okay, nasib baik semua betul. Okay, yes, 13. Okay, basically, this is a 1 times 1 matrix. This is a 1 times 1 matrix. So you combine, you will get a 1 times 1 matrix answer also. Okay, now we upgrade a bit. Let's say I got something like this. Okay, so can you all tell me the answer for this? Make sure you write in order, guys. Kena tulis ikut urutan. Okay, one more. Okay, very good. Okay, make sure you all, how you get 20? 2 plus 5, 17, Okay, you must read it horizontally. Okay, baca secara melintang. That's how you do the plus. Okay, no worries, it's okay. Okay, so now one point I want to ask you all here. Let's say I got a matrix like this. Like this. Can I add them, guys? Boleh tak saya tambah dua-dua matrix ini? Okay, why no? Mengapa tak boleh? Can you all give reason? No. Now we're talking about plus only. Can I add these two matrix or not? The answer is no. Yes, the peringkat not the same. Remember, guys, when you're doing addition and subtraction, only addition, subtraction, the peringkat, the order of the matrix must be same. Important note. Plus and minus order must be the same when you add two matrix or three matrix. Okay, sometimes you can add 3 matrix one shot or 4 matrix one shot, but all the order must be the same. Keempat-empat matrix kena ada peringkat sama. Okay, but guys, how about times and divide? Is the order important for times and divide? Yes or no? No, very good. Okay, order not important. Okay, means that different order you can times, different order you can divide also. But got condition also lah. But in terms of the order, is not important. Okay, so this is the major difference that you all can see here. One order important, second one order is not important. Okay, so yeah, this is the point I want to bring out here. Okay, so now let's say we go to a more complex one. Usually the one they like to ask in exam. Okay, so can you all tell me the answer for this? What will you get when you add this matrix? Okay, Next. Okay. Next. Okay. Last one. Very good. Okay. So guys, anyone have problem to get this answer? Anyone have problem? Please raise hand. Nana. Okay. So good. This one shouldn't have problem lah. Okay. So basically, how to do this is you must actually label your matrix with the position A, B, C, D. Okay, these are all the positions. Usually, right guys, these values are fixed. A, B, C, D kedudukan mereka tetap, tak boleh ubah. Means that you must add A with A, 5 plus 9. B with B, 8 plus 5. C you add with C, 6 plus 6, and so on. Okay, so that is why you get A, B, C, D. This is the letters we use to represent. Okay, you must always remember this arrangement. So always when you tell the answer right to me, you must read your matrix like this, A, B, C, D. Means that you tell the answer like this, 14, 13, 12, 22. You must follow the order like this. Don't just simply jump randomly. Okay, tak boleh lompat dari A ke D, D ke B, B ke C, tak boleh. Okay, you must follow the order. Understand guys? Okay, so basically this is the concept here. All right, so now let's say I don't involve numbers now. Okay, I want to ask you how to do this addition. Okay, so can you all tell me the answer for this? How to do? I simply make it hard only for you all by simply changing it to variable. So what is the answer? Can you all tell me for this matrix? The first element. Very good. X squared plus x. Next one. This one testing your algebra only. Basic algebra. Multiply also I can test later. Yes, I think you all get the concept lah. Basically, it's the same thing only. Just is different letters only. So you just need to follow the same pattern like just now. Okay, don't get confused when you see X and Y. Always remember guys, X and Y is just numbers only. Mereka hanya adalah nombor. It's the same thing like this. Only thing is now I use X and Y. So don't get scared when you all see X and Y. Okay. In this case, no need to factorize. Remember, guys, factorize, right? We don't just simply factorize, Factorize, there is always one aim. Yeah, you leave this as your final answer. Ini jawapan akhir. So anyone knows why we do factorization actually? Can you all tell me the reason? Sebab kita buat pemfaktoran. Yes, correct. Matrix, you don't need to factorize. So anyone know, generally, when we do algebra, why do we factorize? Shortcut, yes, can, okay. Yes, the idea is cut. So guys, do you all understand the meaning of cut? Potong in BM. Do you all understand this term? Okay, if you don't understand, very simple lah. I give you an example. What does it mean by this cut? Okay, cut means that, let's say, I got something like this. So guys, how you solve this or simplify? Macam mana permudahkan yang ni? You will take out the x, right? You factorize out the common term. Okay, something like this. 1 plus x. Okay guys, so can you see this? Why we do factorize? So that we can cut. This is what we call as cut. So that's why your final answer is 1 over x. Do you all get it? So basically the purpose of factorize is to actually simplify the answer. So if you see here in the matrix, is there reason to simplify the answer? Yes or no? Can we apply the cut method in matrix or not? Bolehkah kita potong bila kita faktorkan dalam matrix? Yes, cannot. Because matrix is not a fraction. Matrix tu bukan pecahan. Jadi tak boleh buat macam tu. So it's no point lah. You factorize or don't factorize is the same thing. Because nothing changed. Understand guys? So remember this concept, that why we do factorization is because we want to simplify. So that's why matrix no need. Okay? So until here, Are you all clear for the addition? Any questions so far for the addition part? Can okay, still easy lah. Later and multiplication come only, it's a bit pening. Okay, so next. Now let's say I involve addition. Okay, now we compare with equal matrices. Okay, so let's say I got something like this. 2 times 2 matrix. Wait guys, I try to think and see a question for you all. Okay, so now can you all tell me how do I get the x and y here? I think quite simple lah, you all can see it. Okay, so basically yes, x equals to 7, correct. Y equals to 1, very good. Okay, so basically first part you compare x plus 5, 12. So you will get x equal to 7. Okay, first part. Second part, you must be wise now guys. Will you choose the left one or the right one to cari nilai y? Kamu akan pilih nilai mana? Yang sebelah kiri atau kanan untuk bandingkan sekarang? Yes, because the right one is the easier one. So that's why we take the right one to compare. Okay, so you will get y equals to 1. Yes, correct. Okay. Do you all understand, guys, how to solve equal matrices involving addition? So this is the method. Okay. I choose either one or must show both. Choose either one. No need show both. Because you show both, you still get the same answer. So no need. All right. Just choose one method only. Okay. So next one. Okay. So now we go to subtraction. Okay. Now we involve the subtraction, penolakan matrix. This one also very simple. Okay. So let's say we got number like this. Okay. So can you all tell me what is the answers for this? The rest also make sure you all solve, as Hakim tell the answer also. Okay, some more. Okay. All right, very good. Okay, so guys, the only thing you need to take note in the subtraction, right, penolakan, make sure you take note of the negative sign. Okay, this one important. Okay, because negative tolak negative, you get positive. So don't make the careless mistake here. Okay, 5 minus negative 6, you get 11. 23 minus negative 2, you get 25. Okay, guys? So yeah, you must take note of this only. Okay, so now let's say I involve the algebra now. Okay, when I say algebra, you all scared already surely. This time I play 3 variables, guys. 3 pemboleh ubah to make it a bit more challenging. But this one no need to solve yet. We just compare the matrix only. Okay, so can you all tell me the answer for this? No need to solve, just tell the final answer only. What will be the answers? Okay, come on. Negative 2? Very good. Kelly, y cube minus negative 2y cube, you will get 3y cube. Okay, this one algebra. Yes. Minus minus. Okay, so that's why you will get 3y cube. Okay, got minus and then minus, so it become plus. Alright, so the next element, can you all tell me the answer? This one training your algebra only. Two matrices. Yes, very good. Z square plus 6y because minus minus become plus. Okay, next one. Yes. Okay, make sure you simplify your answer, guys. You must give 4x. Okay, last one. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, do you all understand this? Are you all clear? Can you react? Like if clear? Okay, it look confusing only, but it's easy only. Okay, senang sahaja. Alright, so now let's involve the equal matrices. Okay, for the variables. Okay, untuk pemboleh ubah. So let's say I got something like this. Hmm. Wait now, guys. I try to find an example. Okay, never mind. I create my own one. Okay, so can you all tell me? Wait. You all tell me the answer for. Wow, wait, Hakim, chill. I also not sure whether the question correct or not. I must check first. Okay, never mind. You can do already. I changed a bit already. Okay, so can you all tell me? X answer? X is quite simple. What will you get for X? Yes. X, guys. Nilai X. How you all get 3? X is 2x is 8. So X is 4. Am I right, guys? You compare this one with this one. Sorry. I also made mistake already. Sorry. Yes. X is 3. Wow. Yeah. Sorry. I also burning already. Okay, correct. X is 3. Sorry. All right. Okay, so next one. Z. What is the answer for Z? Okay. Answer for Y? This one very simple lah. You all can get. Yes, 2. Okay, finish. Okay. Usually the question SPM will ask you simple like this. It won't be very complex equation one. Okay, so no need to worry. All right. So yeah, this is the application question for negative sign. Okay, so now let me see. Okay, now I give you all a situation. Okay, saya bagi soalan aplikasi to you all so that you all can understand better. Okay, so let us go back to the table. So now we involve the addition and subtraction. Okay, let's say got 3 column. Okay, and then got something on top here. Okay, you all want to discuss on what subject now? I give you all the opportunity. We already talked about marks. So what else you want to talk about? English? What about English? I need 3 data. So you all must think of a topic that will have 3 data. Sports. Okay, wow, so good, you all? Okay, never mind. You all very innocent minded. Okay, yeah, we talk about sports lah. Okay, so sports. Okay, so can you all tell me what sports you all want? Okay, I put letter B. Some more. Archery, football. Okay, can. Okay, so now let's say Okay, so this is for, let me design this better. This is for the column. Okay, so now row, guys, you want to talk on what subject? This one is sports. So for the rows, what do you want to talk about? Tennis, I have too much already. I just want three. So the category, you all want to talk about what? About the badminton, archery, and and the football. Okay. Gender cannot because got three. So the only thing I can think of is, oi, how is math, admaths, and further math related to this? Number of participants will be filled here. Okay, I forced to do this lah since got three column. We talk about ways. Okay, sorry, yeah, because I got three row, three column. So never mind. We talk about each race play what sport the most. Okay, so data I will give. Okay, you all no need to tell. Okay, so let's say something like this. Okay, fair enough. Okay, I think this is quite fair data lah, on what I give. Okay, so now the question is about metrics. Okay, so now can I ask you all, what is the total? Total uh, number of ways I can form the matrix here. Berapa susunan matrix saya boleh bentuk? Can you all tell me? Yes, the answer is 2, correct. Yes, according to race, according to the sport. Okay, so basically your answer is, you can arrange like how the table arrange. Yes, it's always 2. Okay, usually because you got only 2 category. If you have 3 category, then the possibility will increase already. Okay, so I think basically if you all, you all never study this yet, no need. Later you all will study in AdMaths Form 5 chapter 4. I don't think anyone reached there yet, right? Form 5 chapter 4 AdMaths. I think you all never study yet, right? So you all wait and see. Then you will understand it better. Okay, so 5, 3, 21, 8, 16, 6, 20, 12, 4. Or, so guys, can I ask you, the first one, this matrix, I arrange according to what? If you look vertically, kamu tengok secara menegak, saya susun ikut bangsa atau ikut yes. Okay, you arrange according to the column, which is the spots. Okay, correct. If you look vertically. Okay, so the second one, I must arrange according to race lah. So basically, you just arrange according to Malay. First column, sorry, wrong number. This one is 8. Okay. And then the second column, we arrange Indian. Third column, we arrange Chinese. Okay, so this one is about race. Understand, guys? So now, this one very easy. So now, let us involve the addition of matrices. Okay, so now I want to ask, can you all tell me the difference, sorry, not yet, the total number of people who play archery and football? Saya nak jumlah orang main bola sepak dan juga guys, what is archery in Malay? You all know? Archery is what in Malay? I also forget already. Namanya archery lah. Okay, bola sepak and archery. So can you all tell me the answer? Memanah, yes, correct. Okay, long time never take BM already. That's why BM rusted already. After SPM, never see BM already. All English. So guys, can you all tell me the answer? Total number of people take football and archery. You must use metrics to count. You cannot just simply count and tell me the answer. Kamu kena guna kaedah matrix untuk kira. Okay? So how are you going to do this? So anyone got the answer already? Total people who play archery and football. Yes, okay. The 28. Okay, very good. Okay, I like the way Skelly wrote. Okay, but Skelly, you must remember that's not the final answer. Huh? What you must do to get the total is you must add all the values you got there. Then you will get the total number. So basically, how to use the matrix method here is, the question is total play archery and football. So how you do the matrix? So basically, we are only talking about one category here. So we can only arrange one way. Kita boleh susun satu cara sahaja. No other way. Okay, because we got only one column, which is for sports. Okay, so basically you arrange 8, 16, 6, and then you plus with, this is for archery. The second one is for football. So football is, you will have 20, 12, 4. Okay, so 20, 12, 4. Okay, so guys, you must do the addition of matrix, penambahan matrix. So you will get 28, 28, 10. Okay. So guys, is this your final answer? Adakah ini jawapan akhir based on what the question asks? No, right? Okay, this one is not yet the total of those who play archery and football. Okay, so you need to further simplify your answer. Okay, so how to simplify? Basically, you just need to show lah, total equals to 28 plus 28 plus 10. You can show like this, but at least you show the matrix one time. Okay, can you guys understand the question? Are you all clear? Put react like kalau faham. This is how you can use matrix to solve a question. Something simple lah, a simple question. Alright, so now let's say we involve the race together with the category. Okay, so now let's say I ask you all, can you all tell me the difference between the Malay and Chinese play archery with the difference of Malay and Chinese play badminton? So how to answer this kind of question? Anyone know? Wait, not yet, not yet. I compared the wrong one already. Okay, we focus on this so that you all won't get weird values. Okay, I want the difference between total people who play archery with the total people who play badminton among Malay and Indian. Okay, so can you all tell me what will be the answer? Saya nak perbezaan antara jumlah orang main memanah dengan badminton dalam kalangan Melayu dan Cina. So what will be your answer? This one you must analyze carefully. So anyone got the answer already? The difference between archery and badminton totally for Malay and Indian. Very good. Okay, the answer is 16. Okay, so anyone don't know how to get 16? Can you angkat tangan? Siapa tak tahu macam mana dapat 16 as the answer? Everyone know Wow, so good y'all. Okay, never mind. I show to you all also. So the question is difference between total difference cannot plus must minus. Total play archery and badminton among Malay and Indian. Okay, so how do we count this? You must use matrix, guys. Then only you can count. I mean, you need to show matrix method. Usually, right, guys, the question will tell you this keyword. If you try some question on matrices, soalan selalu akan guna kata kunci ini. Using matrix method. Have you all seen this, guys? When you solve question in this chapter, you try some buku rujukan, mereka akan selalu cakap perkataan ini dengan menggunakan kaedah matrix. Okay, or another keyword, use matrix multiplication. guna kaedah pendaraban matrix. You will see this one. Have you all seen this also, guys? This is the first keyword. This is the second keyword. You will always see this kind of question. Okay, but for this case, we are using the first one lah, because it's addition and subtraction only. All right, so now how we apply it here? Basically, we want the difference, right? So we compare according to the games. Okay, kita bandingkan ikut permainan. So basically, you just need to arrange it lah. 816 minus with 53. 816 you minus with 53. So what will be your answer? You will get 313. So guys, is this my final answer? Adakah ini jawapan akhir saya? Yes or no? Yes, remember you must find the total. Okay, so total is the total of the difference is 3 plus 13, which is 16. Understand, guys? Are you all clear how to use matrix subtraction and apply in daily life? Okay, this is what we call daily life questions lah. You apply the knowledge you learn to solve daily life question. Okay, so okay, 5 more minutes. Okay, we won't enter multiplication today. Tak mau masuk lagi yang tu because that one a bit complex. So we do one last question application on the plus and minus thing. Hakim, I know your pace is fast, but we need to consider those. I need to consider generally everyone. Everyone's learning pace is different, correct? I think you all know, right? Setiap orang belajar dengan kepantasan berbeza. So I need to follow the pace of majority. And also for those that are watching my YouTube. Okay, if I teach so fast, then the YouTube, how they going to understand? Okay, you try to imagine and see. All right. So now, let's say we involve money. Okay, the application here is about money. Okay, situation on money. Okay, this one interesting a bit. This one I take from the textbook. So you all can refer also. Okay, so we are talking about income and also expenses. So you must have the general concept of income and expenses to answer this question. Okay, I think you all learned this in your Form 4 Chapter 10 Maths. Okay, financial management. So guys, just want to know, anyone already started Chapter 3 Maths Form 5? Siapa dah mula? Sekolah dah mula Form 5 Bab 3? Anyone? Boleh angkat tangan? Wah, already Form 5 Chapter 3. Not bad. That's very fast. Usually, I think most school is in this chapter lah now. So how you find the insurance topic? I don't understand single thing, correct? Okay, that is what you will feel when you see that topic. A lot of memorizing, right? If you look at your textbook, I think you will find that a bit boring. Okay, Bab 2 very difficult to teach lah because what to say, a lot of theory. Yeah, 3 and 4. But if you see the questions, right, they like to ask a lot on those topics. Okay, mereka suka tanya banyak soalan based on insurance and taxation. Which multiplication? Aida, matrix is it? Or you're talking insurance? I think you're talking, matrix Oh, insurance, yes, correct. You must use some weight, yes. That one is the calculation part. This one I'm talking is the theory part. Okay, so now guys, this is the question. Calculate total profit earned. This question I like because it tests you on certain common sense lah by each of its stores. Okay, yeah, that's all lah. In the form of matrices. Okay, kamu kena guna kaedah matrix. So guys, how to solve this? Can you all tell me? So the first question I want to ask you, how do I count total profit? Can you all tell me? What is the formula we use? Macam mana kita boleh kira jumlah keuntungan? This one you all must know. this common sense. What is total profit? The formula. How to count it? Using the information I have here. Yes, very good. Basically, you should understand that total profit is your income, pendapatan, minus your expenses, perbelanjaan. This is the thing you should know. Then you can solve the question. Okay, total profit is income minus, yes, basically is your knowledge from Form 4 Chapter 10, Financial Management. Okay, so basically here you got two stores, you know. Kamu ada dua kedai. So kamu kena kira secara berasingan. Okay, I think you must count separately lah, if not mistaken. Okay, let me check and see. I think you can combine also if you want. Okay, so basically you can combine. Kamu boleh gabungkan. So guys, can you all tell me, for the income, how should I write the matrix? Can you all tell me the order? Macam mana susunan matrix dia? Anyone got idea? What is the order of the matrix? Yes. No, not 2 times 2. It is actually, anyone can try? You see carefully the table in the question. Lihat jadual betul-betul. Then you will know the answer. Yes, correct. The answer is 2 times 1. You must focus like this. Okay, you compare the values like this. So you will get a 2 times 1 matrix. Can you all see it, guys? Don't take the whole income into one matrix. Jangan bawa satu pendapatan tu masuk dalam satu matrix. You separate it because you got categories. You have food and drink. So you separate the income and you also separate the expense. That's why you have 2 times 1 matrix. Okay? So you just write like this lah. Income you plus, expenses you minus. So 1560. Then you close at, for the drinks, 1890910. Okay, you have this. If you combine, let me think. Let me try and see, do we get the same answer or not? Okay, so expenses, you minus these two. This is the most easiest method to understand lah, if you see. Quite easy to understand. And then 850, 260. Sorry, I forget put minus. Okay, guys, do you all understand why I separate until like this? Every single column kamu pisahkan, so you have 2 times 1 matrix. So how you solve this? Basically, you just need to follow lah. You plus everything up, and then the bottom you follow also. You will get something like this. So this is what we call as applications. Okay, guys, do you all get it? So your final answer should be, you should get 2760 and 1670. Okay, do you all get it? So basically, guys, can you all tell me, this 2760, it represents for store A or store B, based on the question. The value I get on top of the matrix, do I represent the profit for A or B? Yes, because the values we are using are for A. Okay, that is why your final answer is a 2 times 1 matrix, because you got two stores. So you must have one on top, one bottom. Total profit. So you have 2 times 1 matrix. Okay, so for those that ask, can I combine or not? Combine means you do something like this. Correct? Bowen, you're doing like this, right? Then minus 930, 540, 850, and then 260. Am I right? You're doing something like this, right? So the problem here is, can you see that you won't get a 2 times 1 matrix for your final answer? You will actually get a 2 times 2 matrix for your final answer. So that is the difference. You won't be able to separate the store A and store B total profit for the food and drinks clearly. So this is the difference over here. If you separate like this, you won't be able to compare it correctly. Okay, you can choose, you can see lah. Example 2650, I minus with 930. I won't get 2760. So the answers are different already. Okay, so do you get it? Why we cannot do like this? Okay, so yeah, I think this all for today lah. So guys, do you all understand the lesson today? Everyone here? Boleh faham? Addition, subtraction, equal matrices. This is what we learned. Three things. Okay, tiga perkara. Okay, don't go yet. I got one more thing to tell you all. Okay, before I let you all go. Okay, wait. I show you all something. Okay, so since that April just started, bulan April baru mula. So anyone want to join my class? Kalau kamu ada kawan nak join kelas saya, if you find like my class help you all, you can share this poster to your friends. Okay, so that anyone want to join and learn from me maths and maths, you can share lah. Okay guys, so please help me share the poster to your friend also who want to join my class. Okay, so they can contact my number lah, 017-966-0510. All right, so any other question? Next week at maths is revision still. We are doing K-bar question, circular measure. Next week, modern maths, we will enter multiplication. All right. And also, sorry. If anyone want help on maths and maths, you can refer my YouTube channel also. All right. You can share to your friend also for those that need help in maths and maths. Okay. So you can refer to my videos here also lah. All right. So anything else you want to ask? Before I say Selamat Hari Raya. I must say Selamat Hari Raya first to everyone. Okay. So yeah, enjoy your Raya holidays. All right. So take care. See you all next week.